Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll learn how to consume get API method to fetch data from database and then we'll display in our React web application. In our previous video, we have shown some dummy data or hard-coded values in this table. Okay, we have created web API project, right? If you have not seen that video, you can watch it. The link is available in this video description. Okay, in that web API project, we have created get method for department table. Let's check it in API server. See here in department controller, we have get method. Inside this, we have query to fetch department ID and department name from department table. Okay, let's run this project to check whether this get method working or not. Now I will call this web API get method here. See you here we can fetch the department details from SQL table. So we will use this web API in our React.js application. To copy this URL, go to Visual Studio Code Editor. Uh, See here in this refresh list function, we have outcoded some dummy data. So remove this. Here I will write fetch inside this, paste the URL which we copied from API server. Then when you got the response, convert it to JSON format. So response, so format will be response.json. So this next, then data will assign this data to our variable. This dot set state DPS data. This is how we can set our data to this DEPS object. Okay, now let's check it in our browser. Reload this page. There is no data displayed in this table. Okay, let's check whether there is any issue found. Three issues. Okay. See here in picture department has been blocked by course policy. No access control allow origin. Header is present on the requested resource. Okay, we'll fix this course issue in our next video. Thanks to everyone. See you there in next video. Bye.